Well, hello. It is Wednesday morning. We have arrived at Silverstone, Wrapfest, and I think we'll start showing some cars, starting from car park. So the first one is Tesla Model 3, wrapped in God knows pearl something colour. Guessing a tech wrap. I might be wrong. The next one. This is definitely X's fluorescent yellow. That's what our Tesla used to be in, like. It is bright. I think over a year our wraps faded that much, it didn't look like this anymore. Yeah, it looks nice and bright. Black and turquoise colour combo. Right, and we are in. This is the entrance. As you walk in, of course you see X's stand. Right, here we are, X's both, wrapping, tinting, everything in one place. Avery stand, had a chat with guys. Vinyl wrapping, PPF, tinting's going to be done a bit later. Right, let's keep going. Another stand, APA, or APA. Few nice colours. This should be very. That's an interesting. Few colours. Right, next stand we have Graffiti with Omega Skins, where we have seen them in Sign and Digital show. And the next one is Profil. Fortunately, video it doesn't look as good. Candy red, super deep color. And tech wrap. From what I understand, it is silver chrome but fully printed in purple and black. Well, plans slightly changed. Let's see, well, I'm recording this now before I even know 100% sure, but maybe I will compete in Wrapfest competition. We'll see how it goes. I'll up my tools. I was told maybe, but we'll be ready. I don't know how we ended up here. It's World Wrapfest.
So first was Jürgen with 313 points, so that was 85%.
Jürgen, that's something, huh? Okay. Next one.
Second one is Mike.
Mike Swosky.
Number 3 is Chris.
Chris. He's right here.
Number 4 is Martinez.
Martinez where? Ireland.
Number 5 is Oleksiy.
Oleksiy from Ukraine. Congratulations.
Number 6 is Marius.
Marius from Poland. Correct. Yeah.
Number 7 is Josef.
Where's Joseph? Oh, you're right here. The man with the
And number 8 and the last one is Alex.
Alex. The man that joined the tournament like 1 hour before we started, yeah. So, woo! You on tomorrow? Do you have time?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, first round's done. We're doing 2 doors same time with printed. They had to be aligned at certain spots. Work around door handles which weren't removed. Yeah, I'll see how today goes. Should be fun. We're now waiting for results. See if we're gonna get through. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm rapping. You got news. Oh, mate. Well, you got next to me. Watch it. Watch just his videos.
Let's watch professional at work. Steady hand. No distractions. Laser focused.
Focus.